we're winning, finally. Whoa, bro, calm down. Ooh, somebody's in that garage. Oh, we got him. I don't have no freaking grenades in this class. Holy fuck. Sorry about that, but fucking can't do nothing about that. Jesus fucking Christ. Holy shit, I swear to fucking can't even front about that one. Holy hell. It's going down outside. It's going down. Okay, I'm sorry. No copyrights, please. Please. Why is he always camping right there? I only got one. Alright. At least we're doing better. This should be the second video for today. Guys, if you haven't seen the first video, please go check it out. Please go check it out. And that's the... Wait for the thunder to stop. It's the video with my new intro. Well, that you guys already saw at the beginning of this video. With my new intro. Holy, what? Where did he come from? I'm 8-7. I'm doing terrible. 9-8. This is where I wish I had a grenade. Jesus. Move, teammate. He's trying to kill me. No, he didn't. He understood. I was about to say haha boy, but then I got killed. So it's kind of messed up. That aim though. Oh my god. Can I carry my team? Oh my. Oh my god. They gonna know I'm here. They have. Holy. I'm one shot. Let's go. UAV. Can I get my UAV? Did I already call it in? The fuck? What? Oh. Why was it? I was pressing. Oh, okay. I don't care. It works now. Oh, that was fast. He had to be host or something. Because I shot him. But okay. Free fire. Free fire. Free fire. Oh my gosh. 20-13, okay. Well guys, that's been the video. Leave a like. Oh my god. Just leave a like if you liked. Subscribe if you like rain and thunder. See? Peace. Love you guys.